In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize the data pane into folders using Tableau, all in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data in your Tableau workspace, you're definitely in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to keep everything neat and tidy, making your projects far more manageable. To begin, you'll need to open the Tableau application. So go ahead and launch it from your computer. If you're not sure where it is, you might find it in your Applications folder, or, if you're using Windows, search for it in your Start menu. Once you've got Tableau open, we'll move on to our next step, loading your data. Next, we're going to load the data that you want to work with. Tableau provides several options to bring in your data, whether it's from an Excel file, a database, or any other source you have. Make sure you have your data set ready before you proceed. Loading your data is the backbone of everything you'll do, so take a moment to ensure it's imported correctly and that everything looks right. This might also be a good time to do a quick double check on the data's organization and field types. Once your data is successfully loaded, let's move to the next part. Now that your data is set, it's time to click on a sheet within Tableau. If you're new to Tableau, these sheets are where all the analysis magic happens. By clicking on a sheet, you open up the workspace where you can visualize and manipulate your data in a variety of ways. On the left-hand side, you'll find the data pane, which displays all your fields. This area can get dense and unmanageable, especially with larger data sets. So, this is where organizing into folders becomes invaluable. After you've clicked on your sheet, hover over to the data pane. Here's a simple but powerful tip. Right-click on any field name from your data pane. Right-clicking opens up a contextual menu which is packed with many useful options. Using this menu is a quick way to access a variety of functions, including what we're tackling today. Organizing your data fields. With right-click done, go ahead and click on Create Folder from the menu that appears. This option allows you to start compartmentalizing your fields into categories that make sense for your analysis. Imagine folders as a way to declutter your workspace, grouping similar fields together under a unified banner. You might want to create folders based on data type or thematic categories, depending on what suits your project needs. Once you click Create Folder, give your new folder a meaningful name that's immediately understandable to you and anyone else who might work with this data. And just like that, you're well on your way to a more organized, efficient workflow. With these simple steps, you can create more folders as necessary, adapting to new data and projects, and consistently staying organized. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps make your work processes smoother and more enjoyable in Tableau.